Hey guys, what's happening? How to rebel, dash, and do jump rope in Ink game. If you've been playing Ink game, you already know it's not just about moving from one point to another. It's about style, timing, mechanics, and learning how to bend the rules in your favor. Three of the most asked questions from new players are: how do you rebel in Ink game? How do you dash? And how do you do the jump rope challenge? Let's break all of these down in detail. First, how to rebel in Ink game. Rebelling in Ink game doesn't just mean ignoring commands. It's actually a core hidden mechanic that can change how the story unfolds and even unlock alternate paths. Think of rebelling as going against the system when the game tries to restrict you. Ways you can rebel: ignoring orders. Many missions in Ink game involve following set instructions instead of completing them as directed. Try waiting, standing still, or moving in the opposite direction. The game is coded to react when you disobey. For example, in guard sequence, if the system says stand still, moving instead may trigger hidden dialogue or unlock a rebel counter. Secondly, breaking environmental rules. Certain zones are marked as off limits. Rebelling means forcing your way into them, even if you take damage. These zones often hide Easter eggs or short rebel routes. Rejecting rewards. Sounds strange, right? But sometimes when offered Ink tokens, if you decline, it registers as a rebellion and adds to your rebel path meter. So, why rebel? Right? Players who consistently go against the system eventually trigger the rebel path storyline. It leads to unique cutscenes where your character actively challenges the Ink masters. Hidden buffs. Rebelling isn't just a cosmetic. In some patches of the game, rebelling enough times boosts your stamina regeneration since the system can't track you as efficiently. Rebelling gives you a second perspective. Instead of playing like a follower, you're sharpening a character arc where you take control. So, if you're just starting, rebel in small moments first, e.g., ignore the whistle, move during still commands, so you get used to the consequences before committing to a full rebel run. So, let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.